All right, class, we're going to do part 1 of experiment 8, pH determination. So what we have is we have a series of solutions we need to test, and we're going to use these little things called pH paper, just like this. Okay? Essentially what's going to happen is as we test each sample, this piece of paper is going to change color depending on the pH. As you can see, pH 1 is a reddish color, pH 12 is a dark blue, and all kinds of colors in between. So we're going to do our best to match the color on our paper to the color on the chart to determine what the pH is. And the first thing we're going to start with is water. I have a little bottle of water here, so I'm going to take a little dab. Doesn't take much. There we go. That's more than we possibly could need. And let's compare the color. All right, now water should be neutral, but if the water is not completely pure, or if it sat out overnight, it could be a little acidic, and I think today's water is somewhat acidic. It's pH 6. If you want to read the color, it's right around pH 6, but that's okay. Just write down what you see, pH 6. Should have been neutral, but hey, can't have it all. All right, next, we're going to test a solution of sodium chloride. So let's just take a little dropper. I'm just going to drop a touch on here. There we go. There's the color change. So now I'm going to take a look here. Nope, 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 nope. Well, maybe, no. It's one of these two, and you're going to have to determine which one you think it is most like. Write that down in your data sheet. That was sodium chloride. Next up, hydrochloric acid. Now this is an acid, so obviously we should be down in the red zone. Let's take a peek. There you go, it's red. Hydrochloric acid, the name kind of gives it away, right? So there we go. I'll let you make the determination of what the pH is, whatever you think the color matches the best. Okay. Next up, hydrochloric acid. Pardon me, sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid we just did. So this is sodium hydroxide. And look at that, dark, dark blue, so down in this range. Again, I'm not going to tell you what it is. You have to make the determination for yourself. So next up is a buffer. If you don't know what a buffer is, make sure you review the manual because we're going to need to know that for part 2. All right, here we go. There's our buffer. Again, it's kind of a dark bluish color. Again, make your own determination of what color you think that is. Which one do you think it matches up with the most or the best? That was the buffer solution. Next up, fruit juice. So let's take a sample of fruit juice here. There we have it. Let's kind of compare the colors here. All right, that's fruit juice. Next up is instant coffee. Nothing like a good cup of coffee in the morning or in the mid-afternoon. Here we go. Let's see what color you think that matches with the best. As you can see, there's, the trouble with color tests is it's all in the eye of the beholder, right? Next is lemon ammonia cleaner. There you go. Dark, dark blue. There we go. That's lemon cleaner. And last but certainly not least, a solution of sodium carbonate. And there you have it. Write down whatever color you think it matches with the best. And there you have it. All right, guys, so that is the end of part 1